Good day to each and one of you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If you're watching this in the morning, good morning. If in the afternoon, good afternoon. Or in the evening, good evening to everyone. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another online video class for the subject ESL, or English as a Second Language. You are listening and watching video lesson for our English as a Second Language class. You are again with me. My name is Teacher Riva, and we are going to be with each other as we learn additional information about a certain concept. Are you ready? Very good. That's good to know if you are ready to start. Just like previous videos, we usually begin our video lesson with a review. So, welcome back again to our online class, my dear students. Last video, we studied about family members, parts of the body, describing family members, parts of the house, and where are they? These are mixtures of vocabulary words and conversation sentences. For today, you are going to know very common topic. I know you know them well already. I'm just going to strengthen that knowledge and you are good to go. Alright? Very good. You are again, or teacher invited again another friend. She is Donkey the Dunk. Dunk the Donkey, rather. She will be with us as we learn another topic for this video. Today, we are going to talk about another lesson, but a lesson that I am very sure you know already. And I think this one would be easy for you, since I believe you have the prior knowledge of it. Okay? Today, we will be talking about animals. Are you familiar with animals? What's pasatay of animals? Animals, particularly farm animals and zoo animals. But on this video, we are going to focus more on farm animals first. Okay? Alright, let's get to know one at a time different farm animals, beginning with the first one. If you know the answer, you can just fast forward it, or if you want to learn again, then you can stay. Let's have the first one. What animal is this? It's a pig. Repeat after me. Pig. It is a pig. Let's spell pig. By this time, I'm sure you are very knowledgeable of the spelling of these animals. Pig. One more time. P-I-G. Pig. Okay, next. How about this? Another easy animal. What do you call it? It's a cow. Good job. Later on, you will know what animals give what. What do pigs give? What do cows give? Later on this video. Let's spell cow. C-O-W. Cow. Good job. Next, let's have the third animal. Look at it carefully. What do you call this animal? Do you know what animal is this? What is it? Can you remember? Alright, this is a bull. Good job. Bull. Spell bull. Let's spell bull together. B-U-L-L. Bull. Alright. Bull, as you can see, in this picture has a brown skin, and it has a long tail with 2 horns on his head. What is this? Bull, spelled as B-U-L-L. Okay, how about the fourth picture? What do you call this animal? You can also see it in a farm. It's not a chicken. It's a duck. Very good. Duck. It is a duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Alright. What's the color of the duck? Its color? White. And the duck has a yellow beak and yellow feet. Duck. Bull. Bull. Duck. Okay, let's move on to the fifth picture. Another familiar, very familiar animal. It's the chicken. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. And another one. This very fluffy skinned animal is what do you call it? It's a sheep. Very good. Sheep. It is spelled as S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. As you can see, the skin of this animal is very, very fluffy, and if you look at the real one, it's really very white. It is as white as the snow. Sheep. Chicken. Sheep. Alright, good job. Next, let's move on to the eighth picture. What animal eats grasses? A lot of animals eat grasses. But look at it. What animal is it? Okay, very good. It is a goat. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Some animals look similar to each other, but indeed they are different from each other. Just like this one. This is a goat. Next, how about this? Another animal. This one eats hay. It's a horse. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Alright, very good. What is this? Goat. How about this? Horse. Great job. Very good. Doing great. Next, how about this animal? It looks similar to a horse. What do you call it? It's a What is it? It's a donkey. Very good. It's a donkey. It's like a horse, but I think a donkey is smaller than a horse. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Alright, once again, say it again. Donkey. Very good. Okay, next. How about this? It's very small. It's a mouse. Good job. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Okay, very good. Again, mouse. Donkey. Alright, very good. Next, the last animal for this video. What is this? It's a small chicken. What do you call a baby chicken? It's called a chick. Chick. Small chicken or baby chicken is called a chick. C-H-I-C-K. Chick. Very good. Those are common farm animals. Now, let me introduce to you before we play a game. This is called a stable. Okay, again, this structure is a stable. Most of the animals, farm animals, stay around or even inside the stable. Now, we are going to play a game to test your vocabulary skills. You are going to guess what animal stays in the stable as stated or as asked on your screen. Okay? Be ready. Welcome to our game. Our game is based on the presentation of Herbert and it's entitled Old MacDonald's Farm. As I have said, there will be questions and there will be choices to test your vocabulary skills for different farm animals. Let's go! Let's start to play. Teacher will read the question and you answer me. What animal? Question is, what animal is in the stable? What animal is in the stable? Look at the screen. What animal is in the stable? Good job. It's a cow. Very good. Cow. You got it right. How about the next item? Did you still get it? Let's see. What animal is in the stable? Is it a sheep, a goat, a duck? Good job! It is a sheep. You got it right again. A sheep. A sheep is in the stable. Keep it going. Let's move to the next question. What animal is in the stable? Is it a goat, a horse, a donkey? Good job. It's a horse. Very good. That was great. Awesome. Next. What animal is in the stable? Is it a goat, a rooster, or a donkey? Correct. It's a donkey. Great job. It's not a goat. It's a donkey. Very good. Next. How about this? What animal is in the stable? Is it a rooster, a duck, a hen? As you can see, there is no choice. That is chicken, because there are two types of chicken. Female chickens are hens. Male chickens are roosters. So what do you think is this? Very good. It's a rooster. Rooster. Next, we're almost finished. What animal is in the stable? Is it a duck, a pig, a hen? Obviously, it's a pig. Great job. Next, what animal is in the stable? Is it a duck, a turkey, a hen? It is a duck. Good job. Doing great. Let's have 3 more items. What animal is in the stable? Is it a hen? Is it a goat? Or is it a turkey? It is a turkey. Great job. 2 more. What animal is in the stable? Is it a hen, a chick, or a rooster? There's no correct answer because there is no animal in the stable. Okay, very good. Now that was our game to test your vocabulary word skills. This time, let us move through our lesson. Another topic to focus on today is comparing each of the farm animals below. Let us compare each of the farm animals below, starting with big, small. Can you say big? Can you say small? Alright. Remember, when you compare two animals, just add letters ER to the last letter of the descriptive word used. The descriptive words used in this activity is big and small. So, if we try to describe and compare them with each other, big becomes bigger, while small becomes smaller. Let's have an example. Let's try to compare two animals, a bull and a duck. Which animal is bigger or smaller? Or let's compare bull from a duck. What do you think? You can have or you can say the bull is bigger than the duck. Again, the bull is bigger than the duck. Because two animals are compared, you just use and add ER to the last letter of the descriptive word used. In this case, you used big, so it becomes bigger. Now, read and say it one more time. The bull is bigger than the duck. Your turn. Alright, good job. That was our first example. Let's move on. Let's try to compare chicken and a chick. Let's compare chick from a chicken. How would you say it? Alright, you can say the chick is smaller than the chicken. The chick is smaller than the chicken. Okay? There you have it. Again, when you compare only two items, or for this case, two animals, you just have to add ER to the last letter of the descriptive word used. And then look which one is big and which one is small. Next, let's try to use the descriptive words fat and thin? Can you say fat? If you can remember the previous lesson, we encountered the words fat and thin. Again, can you say fat, thin? Okay, remember again, when you compare two animals, just add letters ER to the last letter of the descriptive word used. The descriptive words for this comparison would be fat and thin. So in this case, fat becomes fatter, while thin becomes thinner. Let's try. Let's compare cow and a horse. Which of the two animals is fatter? Or compare the cow from the horse. What could be our answer? Alright, we can have the cow is fatter than the horse. The cow is fatter than the horse. Reminder again, do not forget to add ER and the word than before saying the word that's being compared to. One more time. Can you say it alone? Okay, very good. Another one, using fat and thin, is comparing pig from a goat. How would you compare them? What would you say? Alright, you can say the pig is fatter than the goat. The pig is fatter than the goat. Or if you want, you could say also the goat is thinner than the pig. You can interchange the words. Alright, that was for fat and thin. This time, let's try to describe them based on the descriptive words fast and slow. Fast, slow. Remember again, whenever you compare two animals, just add ER to the last letter of the descriptive words used. For this case, fast becomes faster, while slow becomes slower. Example number 1. Comparing a horse and a sheep. Which of them runs faster rather? What can be your answer? Compare a horse running speed to a sheep's running speed. What can be your answer? Or what can you say? You can say the horse runs faster than the sheep. The horse runs faster than the sheep. Okay, your turn. Describe and compare the two. Okay, that's right. Another example, compare the bull's running speed of that cow. You might say, the bull runs faster than the cow, or the cow runs slower than the bull. Your turn. Say it by yourself. Alright. Good job. That is describing and comparing two animals from each other using descriptive words. Let us compare more animals next time. Did you learn something today? That would be great if you learned a lot of things this day and on this video. For that, I will leave you 3 stars again. Thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you on our next video. Goodbye everyone, and keep safe always. Bye-bye.